welcome back to my channel. It's Carly Ann on YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing a story time get ready with me thingy. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be telling the story of how I met Khloe Kardashian, and I'm going to be doing my makeup while doing it. So first off, I'm going to start with my base. So I'm going to do my concealer, and for concealer I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the 16-hour Camo Concealer. So here's the story. So what happened was I was literally like clueless, and I was just like, oh my god, how many times am I gonna say like in this video? I was going through Twitter, and then I was just looking at stuff, blah blah blah, and then this one person tweeted, they were like, oh, wish I can go like to New York and meet Khloe or whatever. And I was like, wait, what are you talking about? And then they were like, oh, she's having a like kind of meet and greet event thingy for her new athletic line in New York City. And I was like, oh my god, really? Like blah blah blah. So I looked it up, and then there was this thing, it was like enter blah 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 to win to meet her, and like post a picture on Instagram and tell like blah 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 and all that stuff. So I think only because not a lot of people knew about it, so I think only like 15 people probably entered, which is like super crazy. But so I entered, and then 2 days later I got an email saying that I got selected to go meet her at a private like meet and greet. And I'm also blending this out with my Juno & Co sponge. So I was like, oh my god, super fun. So we went down to the city, and it was at the store 602 that's in Times Square, I think. And I was actually like shocked that I got selected to meet her, because it's like crazy. And also like I've had a Twitter for Kylie like since March 2016, and Kylie followed me on my birthday in 2016, like 2 days after I made the account, which was like so crazy. She followed me like 9 p.m. I think, I don't know. Okay, so we took the train down, and then we probably got there around like 7 in the morning. We had to be there, they said we had to be there like 8:30, but then we got there, and then there was like not a lot of people there. So what happened though is the people who got chosen to go meet her, they like had like we had, and a few other people had reserved seating at the event. We had like guaranteed seating, and I'll insert some photos, but there's people, if you were like just on the street or something, you can stop by, but you had to be there early in line to be able to get a seat inside, because there was like not a lot of seats. There's probably like 30, and like I said, we were guaranteed seats. There were so many people just who couldn't get in, just standing outside watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using on my IC Huda Beauty Coral. So first I'm gonna go in with this middle shade right here in my crease. So she went up there and she like spoke and blah blah blah, and after that was over, the whole like event thingy, we went into the area where you would meet her. Next I'm going to be taking this shade above my crease. Okay, so then we were waiting in this room for like to meet her, probably for like a half hour, which wasn't supposed to happen, because we were supposed to just literally, they were like an hour behind schedule. So literally we were sitting there for like a half hour in this area waiting, because which wasn't supposed to happen, because they were literally like an hour behind schedule in the first place. And the people, the press people, the interviewers took so long, because there was like our room and then another little separate room where you would meet her. We were waiting in the waiting room, and then they were doing press in the other room. So we were literally sitting there for like a half hour. So while we were sitting there though, I went shopping and I got my like Good American stuff, and They gave us a like $150 gift card. So literally I got the whole like icon set, that's what it's called, for like 17 bucks since they gave us that gift card, which was like so good. And finally they were like, okay, you can like line up to meet her. So we all like, I'm so bad at telling stories. We all like lined up by the door that goes into the room where you meet her, and then they brought certain people in at a time with a few other people to go wait in the room to go meet her. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here on my inner corner. Okay, yes, we all went in the area, waited to meet her, and then finally like we're all waiting, and then it's like my turn. So then I go up and then like I meet her, and she's like so nice. I don't know why everyone hates her, but she was so nice. We probably had a good, I don't know, like 30 seconds because we got so rushed because of the press before us taking like 18 hours. Yeah, so we left and then we just spent the day like walking around the city and just like having fun. I go to New York City like a lot, but yeah. So I'm gonna be using the Tarte Lifted mascara. Next, I'm going to be taking this Estate lip gloss in Drip with the Kylie Cosmetics Charm lip liner. And yeah, that was the story of the time I got chosen to go meet Khloe Kardashian. So yeah, I will insert some more photos and videos at the end of this probably, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below by clicking the red button that says subscribe on it, and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you like Khloe Kardashian. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! That could be your private island on a different planet.